Greg joining us today, one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Triple the amount of hair in one procedure from Dr. Bolton.
At least starting to lose almost everything that I had originally
Was
lost in my mind. These guys were so ecstatic with Dr. Bolton. Made the appointment, came in, and he did the front, right? I was so satisfied. You did such a good job, there's no reason to come back. After 2 procedures, this is what I look like compared to if they show a before picture of the 3 procedures I had.
We'll show it. Patients want to talk to somebody, they can talk to you.
Absolutely.
What if you get 100 phone calls? Are you going to be able to handle that?
Oh, wait a minute. How about just a couple at a time?
Vita Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and we have Rolando with us today. Really, that's hard to believe, but you are looking great now, and you're so young.
This before, way before. If I don't tell you, you won't know.
Never. Has anyone ever said, oh, I know that you had something done?
No.
Never.
Not even my closest friends.
What about when you get your hair cut?
No, they don't know.
Wow. He's actually a model now.
Yeah.
Probably going to be an actor. He's great on camera. Thank you so much for joining us today. You're a delight.
Thank you very much.
I had to cover it up as much as I could, and it just wasn't working. I researched a few doctors, maybe about 4 of them. Feel that security, that comfort where, it was kind of like I was walking into a car dealership. They know what they're doing, and it doesn't feel like a sales pitch. And Dr. Bolton was the only came to where him and his staff, I actually felt that security and comfort. They broke down.
I'm Vita Shanae, and Steve is joining us here today in Dr. Bolton's office.
When I had my kids, they're laying on my back and they're looking down and saying, Dad, you have a hole in the back of your head. Who, this guy or that guy or Dr. Bolton? And then the light went off. I never heard of Dr. Bolton.
Ooh.
And I looked on the website and I looked at the results.
So many resources on that website. Okay, here's before, and then here's after.
No, it
It's
was
before and then after.
It was apples for apples.
Right.
And it was all after one procedure.
His mother was cooking and had some boiling water on the stovetop.
Make tea with big kettle of water, all the hot water spraying on my face. It was hard. Dr. Bolton said, I can promise you you're gonna have your hair back. 2 weeks later, it turned out to be so good. After 4 months, I had all my hair. I can do anything I want, any activities. This change, this hope, I've got it from this place. I would definitely recommend PAI and Dr. Bolton.
For his follow-up, he sees me, he grabs me, he picks me up, he's like so happy. It just makes me feel, you can't beat that feeling.